Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to restart your Xfinity modem using just your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Xfinity app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the app, look at the bottom menu and tap on Wi-Fi. This page shows all the devices connected to your network and your modem information. On this main screen, you will see your home network name. Tap on it and then scroll until you see your gateway or modem. It might say Xfinity Gateway depending on your model. Now tap on your modem to open the settings. Look for the button that says Restart Gateway, Restart Modem or Troubleshoot. Tap on it. The app will warn you that restarting will disconnect your Wi-Fi for a few minutes. Tap Restart or Start Troubleshooting. Your modem will power up and back on. This usually take about 2 to 5 minutes, so just be patient. Once the modem lights came back on, your Wi-Fi should reconnect automatically. Try loading a website or video to make sure everything is working. And that's all. We have just restarted your Xfinity modem using a phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next part.